Now here we'll start the 10th number option, that is check the currently running services in the Linux operating system and check the status of service using some commands and start and stop the services which is not required by you. So for that purpose I'm using here CentOS. This is a CentOS environment. If I minimize this one, this is my operating system, that is Windows operating system. Here I will use, that means I'm using VMware workstation, so that you can use both operating systems. I'm not using dual boot operating system. I'm using Windows 10 as a base operating system. I installed a VMware workstation, and in VMware, that is virtual machine, I'm using here CentOS. Now here we can use the different command to display the services running in the operating system. Out of that, chkconfig, this command is used. It has 5 distinct functions, like adding new services for management, removing services from management, listing the current startup information for services, changing the startup information for services, and checking the startup state of a particular services. So these are the 5 different services or functions performed by the chkconfig. Now let us see the first part of this discussion, that is a 10 number. What you have to write, what you want to actually I'm expected to write, that is list the running services using service command. I'm going to list the running services. So for that purpose I have to use only a simple command, service, then hyphen hyphen status hyphen, then all. So when I hit the enter, it will display all the status running, this one. So there are number of different services. Some are stopped, some are running, disabled, like this. So here again I will use this one and more command, so that it will stop break for one screen full. Then I can that means we'll see which is running and which is stopped. So here I use Q and it will display the dollar prompt again, that is a shell. If I want to print the status of any service, so for example status of Apache, so Apache service, if it is available HTTPD, then we'll use the service status of service HTTPD status. So it is unrecognized service. So at that time I will use another status. So, that Apache service is not actually there. SSHD status. Daemon is stopped. So sudo service SSHD status, daemon is stopped. So here the service is actually stopped, this SSHD. We can list all known services. So at the time I can use chk config list. It will display all the known services. via the system. So there list we can list various ports available. Netstat, I'm just using this command for checking. Oh, netstat stat stat. So it will display, the will not be shown, you would have to be root to see. So for that purpose I use sudo active internet connection, only server is there, and this is a simple net services, whether it is available or not, it will show you. Currently net is not actually, it is disconnected. So here we can use another various run level, means run level 0, run level 1, run level 2, to select the services to run. So here we'll use nt sys sudo this is v. It will display the various services, and here you can start the service, you can stop the service. So this is our practical now. So there are number of services here. NTPD, what we had seen earlier, NTPD. Here SSHD is not actually running, DNC server is not running. So here we can just put the start in front of before this one, then it will start that by pressing the space bar. Okay, so here I press the OK, and again I will exit from that. So here open SSH secure socket, so you can restart the SSH. So here we can start, stop, restart by using the chk config command. Here if I use the chk config, then which service? SSHD, I will make it on. Sudo super user, it is now. Actually already we have on this, and you can off also by using the CLI mode. Now it becomes off. If I want to see the current status of this one at the time, simply put -list and then SSHD, so it will be off. So this will show you the service SSHD service is off. Now you want to start the service, put service SSHD, then start. Remember to put the sudo, don't forget. It will start, and SSHD service is now started. You can stop this one in the same manner. Here instead of start you can put stop and hit the enter. stopping SSHD. Now this, look at here, stopped SSHD. If I put again start, then it will starting the SSHD. This particular service, I am taking one example only, and see the status of do service status. Now see this daemon 2475 is running. Previously it was not running, so somewhere else we have already seen that is not running. Okay, whatever. So now it is running. This is the status of. Now for that you can use sudo. So I am actually entering this command sudo number of times. Just press CSU and the prompt changes from dollar to hash. Now it means you does not need to enter this sudo all the time. Supervisor privileges. So SU means supervisor or super user privileges. So here this is how to start the service and how to stop the service in the Linux. So in this way we complete this fourth practical. So write down the 10th number point in the same fashion in one or maximum one page only, and write down all the answers of all the questions.